Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our How To Tuesdays, and today I'm coming at you with an awesome ab exercise move. This is an absolute killer if you want to build a strong core and strong abdominals. It's called the boat rows. I've seen this in a few workout programs, so let's go through how to do it correctly. Okay, so to start off this abdominal exercise, obviously you want to be sat down on the floor first with your knees bent. Make sure that you've got a nice upright posture, and then what we're going to do is we're going to lean back till you can really feel your abs engaged, okay? Just like you would do for a Russian twist. Once you're in that position, you then want to lift your feet off the floor, because this exercise is done with your feet elevated at all times. So if we start here, like with the knees crunched into the chest, sitting a little bit more upright, this is probably the easiest starting position to have. Okay, from here you're then going to extend outwards, kicking the legs out and leaning back again, so your abs really engaged now. As you can see, I'm just a couple of inches off the floor with my feet, and I'm really leaning back with my upper body, and then you're going to pull in it again. Then from here you're going to stretch out and then pull in again. If you want, you can use your arms as a little bit of momentum, as this is why it's kind of called the boat rows, because it's a very similar motion as to when you are actually rowing a boat, you know, in a lake or wherever you might be rowing boats. If you want to make the move harder, which most people really don't want to do, then you can either hold it in the top position for a little bit, or hold it in the stretched out position for a few seconds and then pull back in. There you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial of how to do the boat rows ab exercise. A great ab exercise. Again, make sure you put it in your workouts if you want to have some burning ab sessions. So my question for you today is, what did you think of the boat rows when you first tried this exercise? Let me know down in the comments below. In the comment section below is links to our social media, so make sure you check that out. Give me a like, follow, and communicate on there too. And last but not least, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest content from this channel. And if you want to see more from the how-to video series, click on this link here. And if you want to see the latest content from this channel, then click on here, and I'll see you on that video now.